Hi, Adam from Buzzy here. We're going to have a look at a quick demonstration using IBM Watson Workspace to collaborate with a team, and then how we can easily integrate with persistent data, which in this example is going to be stored in Buzzy. So for this demo, we're going to go in and we're going to create a space, and this is going to be a space focused around supporting an organization. You might have a team of people who work together, who need to be able to track issues and work together to resolve them for their customers. So we'll add a couple of people here. We'll add Samantha, just a demo user, and we'll also add Gloria. And we'll create that space. Now, to make this really easy to be able to integrate, the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to go and add an app, and we're going to go and add the Buzzy app to the space. And what this is going to allow us to do is to create apps on the fly that integrate with the space. So that's as easy as it is. You just go and add that app to the space, and away you go. So let's come back here. So let's say I was working with a team in this space, and we might be discussing a whole bunch of issues, and I got something. So how? Let's just say here, what would you suggest to track support tickets? And this might be a genuine question that goes out to the team. Now, one of the things that we've done over here, and even with my typos in that, is that Buzzy will pick this up. We're using Watson Conversation at the back end, and we can understand that there's an intent to be able to track support tickets. And if we click on that, we can see that we've generated a search query that allows us, when we click on that, to actually find templates out there that might help them. In this example, there's a customer support template. And we can preview that for the purpose of the demo. I'm just going to click Create App. And what you're going to notice over here on my Buzzy dashboard, you don't have to be a Buzzy user to start off with, but on my Buzzy dashboard, you'll see that application pop up shortly. There it is. There's that customer support application. Now this application, I can click on this link to open it, but I'll just click it on the left-hand side. This application allows you to create support tickets. So this is a better way for being able to track support issues and so on. And by the way, there's some simple slash commands. You can just type help, Buzzy help, but I'll just type show as one of the commands. I click send. And that will actually show me any apps that are associated with this IBM Watson Workspace. So let's create a ticket. So let's go over here on the left-hand side, and we'll just create a ticket. So we'll create a new ticket over here called ID 1234, so we can remember that. The status is open. We might put some details. So I'll stick with my the fin box. I'll stick with my surfing. It's broken. We've defined the problem. We don't have to worry about replicating it. We've identified the issue. We might come in over here and we might add some pictures and stuff like that. So we might have, so let's just have a look. We'll just use that as a sample picture. We'll just use a medium compression size over there, and we'll upload that picture. So this is also available on your mobile phone, and can also work in offline mode. So if there's not good bandwidth and things. You can add other information. Now, everything in this Buzzy application is completely customizable. So I could come in and change the fields and add new fields and add workflows and all sorts of cool stuff. But for the purpose of this demo, we'll just keep it simple. So once I submit that item, we'll see over here, here's the new item that's in here. Now, if, let's say, later in this conversation inside the workspace, I was having a conversation, and let's say Gloria or Samantha asked the question, I could say something, what's the latest info on ID 1234? Now, we can see again, Watson has understood that intent, and we've got a specific bot that understands all different types of intents. We've got this documented. And then we can see that will generate a status query. And if I click that status query, that actually gives me the status query of this particular item over here. Now, that's given me, so the status of ID 1234 is open. And again, there's all different types of queries that we can apply to this. This is completely customizable. So these slash commands are completely customizable. As the owner of this application, because I was the one who created it, I can come in and add things like change the security levels, add new field types. So there's a ton of different field types you can add to this application, as well as you can define your own slash commands and things like that. But for most users, they don't even have to worry about them. They're already predefined. But again, I could come in and create a new action command, a query, update, etc., and away you go. So that's as easy as it is to be able to integrate Buzzy with IBM Watson Workspace, allowing you to have more structured information, like this persistent information in this support ticket application that is then associated with this unstructured conversation which is happening over here in Watson Workspace. And the two are completely integrated. Very easy to get going, have a go, have a play, go and create some of your own applications. We've got a wealth of different templates that do all sorts of different things in Buzzy, and you can obviously create your own, and you can literally do that in a matter of minutes. So thanks for watching. Have fun out there. Contact us if you've got any questions or need any help. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.